Hello, welcome to Math. In this class, we want to find the value of x and y from this equation. X squared minus y squared is equal to 16, where x and y are member of positive integer and x is greater than y. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Solution. We have x squared minus y squared is equal to 16. Take note of this exponential rule that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then where a is equal to s and b is equal to y. This is s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 16. Let's look for the factor of 16. We have 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now take note, this is s plus y and this is s minus y. Therefore, this is greater than this. Then we look for two numbers here so that the product will give 16. Then we have 1 and 16, and this is 2 times 8, 2 and 8. Now let's see. We have s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 1 multiplied by 16, because this is greater than this, and since this is greater than this one will take the 16 and this to the 1. We have s plus y is equal to 16 and s minus y is equal to 1. Now let's call this equation 1 and this is equation 2. Let's add the two equations together. If you add the two together, this one will cancel this. S plus s, we have 2s is equal to 60 plus 1, 17. Let's divide both sides by 2. Divided by 2, this one will cancel this. Then s is equal to 17 over 2, but this is not a member of positive integer, so this is not valid. Let's check for 2 and 8. Also, s plus y multiplied by s minus y is equal to 2 multiplied by 8, and remember also this is greater than this, therefore 8 is greater than 2. Then this go for this and this go for this. We have s plus y is equal to 8. Let's call this equation 1, and s minus y is equal to 2. Let's call this equation 2. Now let's add the two equations together. This one will cancel this. We have 2s is equal to a plus 2, that is 10. Let's divide both sides by 2. Divided by 2. This one will cancel this. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 5. Therefore, s is equal to 5. Now we can substitute for s in any of these equations, either equation 1 or equation 2. Now let me make use of this equation 2. Equation 2 is s minus y is equal to 2. When s is 5, we have 5 minus y is equal to 2. Then minus y is equal to 2 minus 5. Then minus y is equal to minus 3. Now y is equal to 3. Therefore, our final answers are s is equal to 5, y is equal to 3. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. To check, we have the given equation: s squared minus y squared must be equal to 16. And when s is 5 and y is equal to 3, we have 5 squared minus y is 3 squared must be equal to 16. Then 5 squared is 25 minus 3 squared is 9, must be equal to 16. Then 25 minus 9, this is 16, is equal to 16, which satisfy the given equation at s is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.